Plastic canvas, warm but able, yarn in color, soft and strong. I've been dreaming all along. Second day, my fingers ache, still I smile at each mistake. Nothing rushed, nothing fake. This is real, this path I take. Slow work, steady breath, hope stitched deeper than the rest. Every knot a silent prayer. Heaven knows I'm still right here. It's my second day of crafting dreams. Weaving hope through tiny seams. Plastic canvas, yarn held tight, turning struggle into light. Little progress, still I stand, building faith with my own hand.
Allaiza's laugh inside my mind. Jamil's strength keeps me aligned. Every loop I pull just right is for them on sleepless nights.
Bottom small but heart is wide. I won't quit, I won't hide. This bucket bag, this humble start, carries all a mother's heart. It's my second day of crafting dreams. Weaving hope through tiny seams. Plastic canvas, yarn held tight, turning struggle into light. Little progress, still I stand, building faith with my own hand. Some days heavy, some days kind, some days doubt creeps in my mind. But yarn remembers where I've been. Every end becomes begin. I've lost before, I've been not broke. I've carried more than words I spoke. Now each row I slowly weave is teaching me again to believe. No applause, no crowded room, just quiet faith inside this loom. If I fall, I'll rise again. Stronger hands, a braver pen. It's my second day of crafting dreams. Still learning what tomorrow means. Every color tells my fight. Every stitch says hold on tight. Little progress, still I stand, building faith with my own hand.
One day Allaiza will understand why my nights were yarn and plans. Jamil will know I didn't run, I stayed until the work was done. From plastic mesh to hope so wide, I sewed our future side by side. No shortcuts, only time. Love was always high design.
Rockin' day, not perfect, but present.
Still here,
Still trying.
still on trying.
It's my second day, and yes, I dream of better days I haven't seen. Not famous, rich, or grand, just safe, secure, and hand in hand. For Allaiza&Jamil I stand, a life rebuilt by my own hand. Beyond may fray, but faith won't bend. This is not the end. Second day, same dream, second charge.